northwest, guys. Please, this is castle. Please. You wasted defensives again, okay?
Northeast sila, northeast gate to, pre.
Guys, come northeast, come northeast. Look northeast. 5, step up. 4, 3, 2,
Walking,
northeast now,
walking.
northeast now.
Nice ka.
Back southeast.
Looking. Engaging.
Dev.
Asan yung shaper? Do we have ice, shaper?
RB.
Guys, look east on the gate, okay? I'm gonna fake on the, guys, listen to me. I'm gonna fake on the north. You engage on the east, okay? Ready? I'm gonna fake on the north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now.
Perch, wait.
Back. Defend the front.
Shaper.
How many percent?
Agawan, dito ka ba?
10%,
Agawan.
30%.
Gunker northwest Gunker northwest.
Okay, come southwest.
Na lang kayo.
Shaper mounted up.
Guys, do not drop all the defensives on the shaper. You just need to dodge that, please. Namalay si Arwan?
Hindi.
Pamark.
Come south.
Hindi looking. No.
Come south. Yo, north now. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Kill this guy. Come back.
Looking on the gate, I think. Even pag 1 bar ka na, pre, balik ka na.
Shaper.
Yo, come southeast. Come south.
Layo na lang kayo sa wall, mamamatay sa shaper, legit. Layo kayo sa wall. Walang mamamatay sa shaper.
Come south.
Southeast gate, 70%.
Guys, look north again. North now. I'm not gonna go there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep north. Back.
Ready defense, ha? Careful.
Taka naman ng
Yeah.
bastion nila. What the fuck?
May igayo.
Ready, RB.
7 seconds.
Update
10
nyo.
Okay, northwest on my count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Back now.
18 na lang yung sa northeast, ha?
Sige lang.
18 gate na lang. 18%.
Careful, guys. Shaper.
8%, fuck. 5%.
Sige lang.
Block na northeast.
It's okay. Guys, look northeast here, okay? Wait.
RB 5 seconds.
Wait.
One on arcade looking.
Guys, north again on me. Get ready. Wait. North 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Hit north. Come back fast.
Looking, walking in.
Not fast enough. Janice, over the wall, Janice. Wag ka mag-random eh. Hindi ka makasabay sa engage. Hindi ka prone. Oo nga, pero pag na-bedrock ka, wag ka na mag-drop. Para makasabay ka second. Saya, dismount, Saya. I need clap, TPS. Defend on the north, on Enzo. Careful.
Shaper is mounted.
Guys, we're too far away from you, They're gonna engage on you. Guys, look northeast here. All my DPS, look northeast, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, northeast now. Back now.
Bobo.
Shaper stacking.
Come south. Defend ready. Wait no.
Declaring the guards.
Come south.
RB ready.
Guys, north over the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Hit. Back.
Defensive lifers.
Come
May
south.
LC sila, northwest natin. Napapurge lahat ng DPS.
Come south.
Yo, Heavy Mace keeps spamming Q3.
Walking in northwest.
God.
Walking in
RB
northwest.
ready.
Okay.
Northwest
Guys,
sila.
look
Northwest
northwest.
Northwest against the wall yung
Bump
yung
stacking
DPS.
bump stacking. Northwest.
Spread more. Bam.
It's okay. Kunyahin.
Guys,
Yeah.
come here. Nobody die, okay? Nobody die, please. I'm sorry.
They are northwest. No, they are northwest.
Ditang sarangan nyo yung one arcane. Harapan nyo.
Spread,
Yeah,
guys. Spread.
Harapan nyo yung
Yo, defend on the northeast. Ready, defend. Yo, northeast counter. 5,
Engage
4, 3, 2, 1, shallow now. Go back now. Don't die, guys, don't die. Come southwest.
Life Chris.
Yo, D-Tanks,
Okay,
D-Tanks. You need to go inside the Lord room. We want them inside the Lord
Okay,
room.
back in. Papasok ulit.
We want them inside the Lord room, please.
Inching up southwest. Ay, sa northeast.
Hold, come south.
Shaper mounted up
Come south.
Pupunta west side. Shaper.
Just hold here.
Walking in east.
Walking in sila. West side yung Shaper.
Layo lang kayo sa
Okay,
west side.
Wait. Yo, north on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Na-purge. This is mounted east side Shaper. Stacking up, Shaper.
That's fine.
Iwasan nyo lang.
I silence. Ayun, Shaper. Bomb.
Shaper.
Okay lang yun.
Def.
Cooldown
Come
yung na narkin nila. Cooldown.
Dinismount nila ako.
Walking north again.
Come northwest. Just hold here, guys.
G nila northwest Sobrang deep. Sobrang deep.
Find me, guys. Guys, northeast counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. No. Back.
Sorry, Diego.
Back.
Shaper.
Malayo. My bad.
Yung backline ni Jay mo, pre.
Sorry.
Pag ano,
Na-engage
headbutt.
kasi sila.
Guys, don't
Lipat
suck.
ako ng-
If you don't have clerical, don't suck. Hindi, pwede mo i-backline yun. Pwede mo i-
Shaper is west side.
Northeast side.
West side.
Guys, look is here. Wait. Guys, come back southwest.
Walking in again.
Enzo, they're gonna engage on you, Careful. Def ready.
Stacking up.
Def ready.
Inching.
Def ready.
Walking,
Silence ka,
inching.
Raven. East side, guys. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East. Brawl them inside. Don't go out. Just stay here.
Guys, come back.
Come back southwest. Locus and come back. They're not gonna full commit, guys. Di ka na do anything.
Alis, back ka, pre. Pahil ka muna.
Looking sila.
Looking ulit.
Slowly.
Looking ulit.
Pag ganun, Raven, counterin natin yun. I-silence mo agad.
Nakita mo na silence ka agad. Kaso nakapag-defense yung mga defense.
Pabait ba ako engage, Kay? Pabait ba ako?
Wag. Hintayin na magkamali sila. Just hold, guys.
Northwest yung G nila ulit.
Shaper.
Shaper. Open yung chest.
Buksan mo na para secure na yung fight na lang continuous.
Guys, come northeast.
They are east side, northeast side.
Okay.
Sila. Northeast side.
Guys, you see. Wait. Come back, guys. Come back. Yo, Lloyd and Saya, are you in comms? Can you guys drop E with me?
No perma.
Drop E with me, okay? Drop E with me, my brawlers. All my brawlers, drop E with me, okay? All my brawlers, drop E with me. Every DPS, drop E with me, okay? Please. Wait, we're gonna counter. Get ready.
show Jay ako pasok.
Northeast side. Inching
Wait. Wait. Hold. All my DPS, drop E with me, okay? Please.
Looking.
Def. I'm gonna fake. Wait. Okay, walk. Just walk and brawl. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate. Wait. Full push him. Northeast, guys. Full push him.
Clear backline, guys.
Full push. Walang GG to. Full push him. Catch. Catch him.
Putang ina nyo.
No GG, no GG, kill, 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 kill.
Dito sa amin kay, need namin tulong.
Ito.
Okay, man.
Sorry. So sorry.
Ito plus R1. Baka
Johnny,
nagulot
pre.
plus R1.
Putang ina, huwag ka mamatay.
Yan.
Tulungan
Yung
kita
mamatay
R1.
yan.
Johnny. Pre, balik ka
Sige.
dito, balik ka. We need healer
Mabilis
west,
naman
pre.
tumakbo na ito.
Healer west, guys. We need healer west.
Yan ka.
We need healer west, guys. We need healer west, guys.
West?
Wait lang.
Ingat
Oh,
kayo.
west,
Meron na,
Mamamatay
meron
na si S4. Mamamatay na si S4.
Ay.
Guys, patulong.
Uy, namatay pa si
Tigil na.
Janice. Oh.
Kailang. Palot na lang yung body ko.
Wait lang.
Janice.
Makikita lang.
Janice, paano ka namatay?
Ganker.
Labrol.
Hindi,
Nampak
wala
tumimik.
pa healer.
North, guys, north.
Tulungan na ito. Ito.
Kill this guy.
Patulong nga. Mamamatay itong isang healer natin. Mana down.
Invicate.
Uy, 1.6M tong kay Janice. So, pakalit.
Gago 1.6M lang. Nabasag Infinity Blade.
Ta. Yan.
Saan?
Nice one.
May laman pa yung chest key 6M pa
Okay
yun.
lang.
Di pa nabuksan yung passage key.
Kung inang GA yun, pre.
Gagi ni solo clamp yung si Enzo.
Sa daw so 19 DA. So, sa scout lang.
Ano ako namatay? Ang ina, bleeding.
Wala nga kayong healer doon. Nagtatawag sa sila.
Hindi tawag dito. Hindi, taka ako. Ba't na ako namatay? Wala naman ako. May bleeding pala.
Yo guys, loot.
Wag yung mount.
Bigak mag full commit dun pa kay. Wala tayong chariot.
Dinape ko na yung silver.
Nga bait sila sa engage ko, pre. Deep guys, help loot. We fight all rise.